What's up, guys? I have a special treat for you today. I'm going to show you how we make our filet mignons. First and foremost, we use Omaha Steaks. Best steaks in the game, always fresh, always amazing, and best of all, they have amazing customer service. First thing you do, you want to cut them open. Okay, step one, you got to rub it with butter. Rubber, 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 rubber. You gotta make the music too. Rubber, 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 rubber. Oh, butter, butter, I like butter, 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 butter. Gotta get all the crevices. All the crevices has to get the butter. Ooh, 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 butter, 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 butter. Now you gotta flip her over. Do the backside. Flip her over. Alright, you get the idea. We'll save that butter for later. We're not gonna waste it. Step 3, wash your hands. Garlic powder on there. Hey, you rub it on there good now. Gotta get it all on there. All the spaces has to have garlic. Every single space. Not one space left behind. Onion powder. Same thing, make sure you get all the crevices. All the crevices, every single crevice. Crevice, crevice, crevice. Next, pepper. We love pepper in this house. This is just dollar basil from Walmart. Let me show you what this looks like. And this is real legit basil fresh. Now you can clearly see the difference. And that's why we love it. Oh yeah, and it smells different too. You gotta really get in there. You gotta really rub it. You gotta rub that meat. All the flavor gotta be on there. Both hands. Woo-wee. All right, that's it. Now the next step is to put it on the skillet. Let's go to the skillet. Also, we have some potatoes chopped up, seasoned, and then you just bake them in the oven for a little over an hour at 400 degrees. And they taste like potato chips. Really, really good. Turn the oven on to medium heat. Let that thing fire up. We're gonna take the butter that we used over there, put it in here because we don't waste in this family. The time on these things is 5 minutes on one side, 4 minutes on the other side. You'll get a good, nice and little medium red. It's pretty good, it's pretty delicious. That's the way we eat it. All right, so first step. Slowly drop it down. Nice and easy. Okay, time to flip. Let's flip this bad boy. Oh, nice and brown, that's what we want. All right, now we do another 4 minutes. After the steaks are all done, you want to let them sit and rest. Let all those juices get back to the center of the steak. There we go, look at all that. And that is how you make filet mignon from Omaha Steaks. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned because we got all kinds of stuff rocking and rolling. We're going to shoot all kinds of stuff. We're going to show you how we eat. I'm excited. I'm pumped. But I'm starving, so it's time to eat. All right, catch you later. Bye-bye.